I've been testing this new jacket out that's been sent to me by Kemimoto. You can see the name right there. It's a heated jacket. So I've tried it out. I've been trying it out for the last several weeks when I went camping up north. This is the coldest that I've been in, and I have it all heated up. But it's been really cool to try it out. I've never tried anything like this before. So Kemimoto did send this out to me for free and asked me to do a little bit of a test and review on it. So right now you can see here, hopefully it'll show, these buttons right here turn on the front and the back heaters, and when you press them, let's see, it's hard to see in the sun. I saw it inside. Let's see if I can go back inside and you can see the changing colors a little bit better. It's got a little neck protector here that velcros on, which is real nice. And then on the back you can put a hood that zippers on and zippers off. I have it off right now, but it zippers right back on if I need it. I'm gonna go back inside so you can see the way this thing heats up. Right now I have it on front and back red, which is the highest setting. It's 140 degrees, and they have heated pads here in the chest area and then the back. And then I can switch it if I need to white, which is the middle temperature. So that's about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. You can go to blue on front and back, and that's about 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And then if you go to red on front and back, we are right now 140 degrees. With this jacket, it takes, you press these buttons for 5 seconds before you put it on, and it preheats, and it takes 5 minutes to preheat, and then you can put it on your settings. So, like I said, I've tried this out. This is probably the 6th or 7th time that I've worn it, and it works really well. I'm interested in trying more types of heated apparel besides a jacket, but it is like a waterproof type material. It breaks the wind real nice. It does feel like a down type material on the inside. I think the cost is like maybe $120 or $130, somewhere around there. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put a link down below if you want to check it out. There's a lot of companies who make apparel like this, heated apparel. So you can definitely check out different companies. I'm not going to push just Kemimoto. This is only the first one that I've tried. It does work well. When we get back inside, I'm going to show you some of the features of the jacket, as well as some of the things that I think can be improved upon or that I don't necessarily love about the jacket. So this is the jacket with the hood on right now. It does unzip in the back, so it's detachable. So when I was wearing it, it did not have the hood on. So here's the hood. That's the jacket without the hood, and it's got this little neck protector, which is Velcroed. So you can actually wear this kind of like a collar too, or you can put it up and Velcro it as a neck protector. It also has on the lower part 2 inside pockets. This pocket on the left side actually has directions on the inside. It'll tell you how they operate the jacket and the different heat settings. Also in that pocket is the power unit. So if you press the button on the side here, it'll tell you the percentage charge. So it is 33% charge right now. The one thing about this jacket that I don't love is that the heat is concentrated more on the top of your back, and then when you close it, it's more the heat here on the top of the chest. It doesn't radiate down low here on the front or the back, so you get a lot of the heat concentrated more in the upper part of your body. Still works really well, but it would be nice if the heating elements were distributed more throughout the lower part of the jacket. When the power pack is fully charged and I run it on high, I get about 3 hours. Also, to charge the battery pack, to go from a low level under 20% back up to 100%, it does take a long time to charge. If I connect the power pack in the morning to start charging it, it'll take well into the afternoon to be 100% charged. When this jacket was sent to me, the cost was, I think, right around $125, $130. I just went to go check it on Amazon, and it's at $50 or $49. For $49, I think this is a very good jacket. Even without the heating, the jacket itself I think is pretty nice, and it's a medium weight jacket. It does keep you warm. It breaks the wind real nice. So at about $50, I think it's an excellent jacket. At $130, I'm not sure I would spend that for a jacket like this, but for a heated jacket at $50, I think it's a good buy. I do have a lot of companies contacting me now that the channel is growing, asking me to review products, and I have turned down a number of companies. However, I am going to do some reviews and check out some new product if they're related to camping, overlanding, modifying the vehicles, or things that I know I'm going to use in the future. I'm not going to get free items in just to make videos. So, and I'm going to give my honest review every time I do a video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. I have a ton of videos coming, especially now that we have the new truck on the channel, which I'll be putting a video out for very soon. It is brand new, 2023 model, unmodified, completely stock. So it's time to start ripping into that truck and getting it ready for off-roading camping.